that intro.
Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So if you guys are in search of a wireless mouse and you don't have a much budget, then this video is for you. So today I'll be showing you a wireless mouse which costs only 299 rupees. So this is a mouse from Enter, and now let's quickly check how it looks. Inside the box, we get a mouse and a receiver and two AAA batteries. So considering the price, the build quality and the design looks very nice. So if you want to purchase the product, I have provided the link in the description box. So thank you for watching guys. Stay tuned and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next one.